Hello everyone, Honorable Symposium Chair and all participants. Introduce myself, my name is Aiska Imelda Salsabila. This research is collaboration with corresponding author Mrs. Anis Azhar Setianing Tias. Today I will present my research, this child, the role of TikTok UGC in mediating trust for sustainable ecotourism visit intention. The digital content, the contemporary tourism marketing era, social media has become the main landscape defining and influence tourism travel destination. The first point, understand the fundamental shift in customer behavior. Today, travel decisions are overwhelmingly influenced by online exposure, displaying traditional advanced methods. The rise of UGC or EWOM, this transformation is driven by user-generated content and electronic word of mouth disseminated on visual platform like TikTok. UGC held emails powered due to a social psychological factor. Private authenticity, content originating from followers, user, or UGC, plays a strategic role because it is perfectly or more authentic. Content originating from followers, user, or UGC plays a strategic role because it is prefixed as more authentic and credible compared to official communication. Impact on intent. This prefix authenticity has been proven to have a positive and significant influence on visit intention. While the direct influence is evident, our research investigates the underlying mechanism. We propose that this influence is not direct, but structurally mediated by a cognitive variable. It is trust. Beyond direct influence, however, further research indicates that the influence of EWOM on customer decision is not direct, but is crucially mediated by the variable of trust. We position trust as the crucial cognitive filter. UGC may capture intention, but it is only the UGC that successfully built trust the will translate into genuine action. The activities of UGC in generating visit intention in highly depend on its ability to build trust in the audience mind. High trust is what transforms mere online exposure into a measurable impact. Furthermore, this built-up trust extends its influence beyond simple intents, actively shaping the overall image of the destination. Shaping destination image. The trust generated by authentic EWOM directly shape a very positive overall destination image or DI, spanning both activities, natural beauty, and cognitive safety and access dimension. This means that if trust is established, the audience not only perceives the destination as beautiful, but also believe it is safe, accessible, and well managed. Trust is the bedrock of a comprehensive and positive destination image. Conceptual testing. The need for the conceptual testing of trust as a mediator in destination based on ecotourism. We select Kalittalang Merapi Ecotourism as our case study, a destination that expired a massive surge in popularity due to TikTok. In the ecotourism context, we identify a significant challenge. A crucial message conflict occurs where the visual focus of TikTok user-generated content risks neglecting conservation narrative in sustainable ecotourism. The aesthetic focus of short-form video often signifies and narrative of sustainability. This is the gap our research attempt to address. Therefore, our primary object is clear. This study aims to examine the impact of TikTok UGC on destination image and visit intention, specifically analyzes the mention of the mediating role of trust. This research adopts a quantitative approach with an exploratory research design purpose, empirically testing TikTok UGC's role in driving destination image mediating and visit intention through trust mediating. The quantitative approach is necessary to statistically they test the hypothesis causal relationships within our complex mediating model. Our sample criteria were strictly defined. Respondents must be digital audience who have viewed user-generated content related to Kalitalang ecotourism on TikTok. The data analysis technique used is structural equation modeling partial least square, include evaluating reliability and validity before testing the structural model. We employed SAM-PLS due to its sustainability from complex mediating and predictive-oriented models. We meticulously performed the measurement model test to ensure the integrity and reliability of our data collection instrument. The demographic profile is highly congruent with our research content. The strong dominant of the 17 to 20 years old are 83%, preference the primary use base of TikTok and the key demographic of travel destination making. Just interesting the contextual validity of our data. The measurement model analysis, the result of the measurement model testing using SmartPLS confirm that all research instruments are valid and highly reliable. This is demonstrated by the very high composite reliability values for all constructors, ranging from 0.918 to 0.950, and the average variance extract value, which are all above 0.70 for exceeding the requirement thresholds. We now move the central findings of our study, the structural model analysis. The result validate our core theoretical framework. Firstly, we found that TikTok UGC has a positive and significant effect on trust. The calculate past position confirm that user-generated content successfully establishes credibility with the audience. The more confidence the content, the higher the trust established. Secondly, and most critically, is the mediating analysis. Trust significantly mediating the relationship between TikTok UGC and visit intention. This finding is paramount. It suggests a clear behavior mechanism. UGC acts as the intentional trigger for interest. Trust serves as the non-negotiable driver that converts that interest into good behavior intent. Content without established trust risks being merely a fleeting viral trend, incapable of stimulating actual phishing. Furthermore, we also obsess an indirect influence. Trust significantly shape a positive destination image, which is in turn application the visit intention. Trust thus serves a dual function. directly influencing intent and identity, changing it by strengthening the destination image. This result carries sustainable implication for destination management in the digital age. In conclusion, UGC plays a very effective role in driving intention to visit Kalitala ecotourism, but its effectiveness depends heavily on successfully establishing trust and destination image in the mind of potential tourists. This conclusion clearly addresses our research objective. UGC is the field for promotion, but trust is the essential engine that ensures the conversation of digital exposure into physical visitation. If trust is not established, the impact of UGC will be minimal. Based on our findings, we propose three strategic actions for destination manager. First, prioritize authenticity to reinforce trust. Second, ensure strategy visual quality to highly safety and accessibility. Third, employ plan intelligence to actually convert expression interest to actual bookings. This ensures that their digital strategy lead to sustainable visit traffic. This concludes the presentation of our research finding. We certainly hope this study offer meaningful contribute to the strategy for sustainable ecotourism marketing in the digital era. Thank you for your attention.